Hello to all my dear students. Today I'm making this small video to solve this doubt of trigonometry for standard 10th. Students, here it is given that sin A upon sin B is root 2 and tan A upon tan B is root 3, and we need to find the value of A and B. So let's start this very simple question. So first of all, it's given to me that sin A upon sin B is root 2, squaring on both sides. So sin square A upon sin square B equal to square of root 2 is 2. Let's cross multiply. So sin square A equal to 2 sin square B. Give this as equation 1. Let's go further. Tan A upon tan B is root 3. It's given to us. Tan A upon tan B equal to root 3. Let's square on both sides. So tan square A upon tan square B equal to root 3 square of root 3 is 3. Right, students? Again, let's go further. Now tan square A can be written as sine upon cos. So tan square A will be sine square upon cos square, and tan square B again sine square upon cos square equal to 3. So keep the numerator sine square A upon cos square A as it is. Multiplied by, do the reciprocal of denominator. So cos square B upon sine square B equal to 3. Let's go further. Now students, the value of sine square A, it's given to me. It's 2 sine square B. So 2 sine square B upon cos square A into cos square B upon sine square B equal to 3. So sine square B cancel. So what remains with me is cos square B, 2 cos square B upon cos square A equal to 3. So let me interchange the place of 3 and cos square. So I will get 2 upon 3 cos square B equal to cos square A. So in 2 I have got the value of cos square A, and in 1 I have got the value of sine square A. Now students, you must be knowing the identity that sine square plus cos square is always 1. So the value of sine square is 2 sine square B as according to equation 1. Sine square A is 2 sine square B, and cos square A is 2 upon 3 cos square B equal to 1. Let's go further. Take LCM. 3 2s are 6. So 6 sine square B plus 2 cos square B upon 3 equal to 1. Keep 6 sine square B as it is. Apply the formula of cos square. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. And 3 1s are 3. So what we are left with? 6 sine square B, 2 1s are 2, 2 into sine square, 2 sine square equal to 3. Now 6 sine square B minus 2 sine square B, it comes out to be 4 sine square B equal to 3 minus 2. So 4 sine square B equal to 1. So sine square B equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Now to remove the square, we will think the square root of 1 upon 4. So square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Now, according to the trigonometric table that we have studied in exercise 7.2, 1 upon 2, this value is sin 30. You must be knowing that. अगर आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल चेक कर ले, so you will find that sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So here we get angle B is 30 degree. sin B equal to sin 30, so angle B equal to 30. Now how to find A? Use equation 1. According to equation 1, sin square A equal to 2 sin square B. Keep 2 as it is. Sin B की value 1/2 है, so 2 as it is. 1 का square 1, 2 का square 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So sin square B is 1/2. I repeat, sin square A, by mistake I said B, sin square A is 1/2. Now to remove the square, we have to think of square root of 1/2. So square root of 1/2 is 1/√2. Again you see the trigonometric table. So 1/√2 means sin 45. So angle A equal to 45. So students, here we end this sum. Angle A is 45 and angle B is 30 degree. So I hope this doubt is clear to you. Bye bye. Keep working hard, keep practicing and keep learning. That's very, very important. Thank you.